Gelatin trick has been helping thousands of people feel more balanced and energized throughout the day. Those who incorporate the gelatin trick into their daily routine often report a sense of steady energy and mood balance, which is really beautiful to see. The gelatin trick is a simple, low-cost way to boost your energy levels and improve your overall well-being, using basic ingredients from your kitchen or grocery store. By making the gelatin trick a part of your morning ritual, you can experience the benefits of digestive comfort and a sense of ease, which can lead to a more joyful and productive day. The gelatin trick is all about consistency and making small, gentle changes to your daily routine, rather than trying to follow strict diets or extreme plans. As people continue with the gelatin trick, they often describe feeling lighter and more balanced, with a sense of stability that comes from nourishing their body in a simple yet effective way. The full step-by-step guide to the gelatin trick is linked in the description below, so you can try it out for yourself and see how it might help you feel more balanced. I also pinned it in the first comment, so be sure to check that out and take a look while it's still available, and see how one small daily action with the gelatin trick might help you feel more energized and joyful.